Well, good morning to you. Good morning. Tuesday, 4th of April, 2023. And we might wonder why I've got the Karcher on top of the washing machine. Unless you understand that I sort of made a rash promise that I'm going to, at long last, do something with that awful little corner. Have you noticed how sunlight makes windows look dirty? Oh, don't look at the windows. Anyway, what I've done so far this morning is I put the chair there, and we can climb on this chair, and then I can climb on the sink, as you do. Oh, up we go, and we can look at what we've got to do in here. And in case I get lonely, I have got company on this job. Not quite sure how much help a spider's going to be. But what we're looking at is, this is a wooden beam. It's a timber that goes round the building. And at some time in the past, people have done strange repairs with plaster. And plaster is about as much use structurally as spaghetti. So I think the first thing to do is to rake out this. In any event, it's all loose, it's got to come out. What I've done already, why the Karcher vacuum cleaner is up on top of the washing machine, I've already pushed the nozzle round and sucked out of there some of the muck, because of course when I do pull this out, there's a probability that I'm going to create more mess down there, which I will then leave because I can't get in behind. Well, I can, but it involves moving the washing machine. I don't like doing that. So we'll have a little rake out and then we'll see what we can do. Right, well, there we are. Now we leave that to go off. I think I've left enough space to plaster it without going too out of straight. Skim coat of plaster will be the next thing to do. Actually, no, it won't. Next thing to do is to make a cup of tea. I suppose I could clean off that show, couldn't I? Could. No, cup of tea.